Hi everybody, this is CR number 9, helper video number 1. The first problem we're going to be looking at is solving 1/5 x equals 30. This is just a one-step equation. Excuse me. So we have 1/5 x equals 30. And the first thing we have to do is try to figure out how is the 1/5 attached to the x? What operation is going on between the 1/5 and the x? And if there's nothing in between them, it's always multiplication. And the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by whatever is attached to the x. And in this situation, it's 1/5 because that's right in front of it. So that's what I'm going to divide both sides by. Now don't get nervous about a fraction like this because it looks like a compound fraction, which is all it is. But this is what you do. 1/5 divided by 1/5 is just 1 because anything divided by itself is 1. So I'm still left with an x on the left side. And then if you have 30 divided by 1/5, hopefully you remember this little rule from fractions. We skip, so we write down the 30 again, we flip, and then we just go ahead and multiply straight across, right? So 30 times 5, well, let's look. What's 30 times 5? You can always use your calculator as well if you wanted to. 0 times 5 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15, so it's 150. Perfect. So it's 150. And if you put that over 1, it still means 150, which is our answer here. So don't get nervous about that fraction. Use your calculator. You can do this.